Hi, I'm Dina, and welcome to Yoga with Dina at Viewtopia. This channel is for all of us over 40, women and men who are ready to slow down, build strength differently, and enjoy movement that respects where we are in life. You don't need to be flexible, you don't need to have any yoga experience, you just need to show up and practice. 5 years ago, I left the city life and moved to Apuseni Mountains, Transylvania, along with my husband. We have created a quiet holiday village here called Viewtopia, the Secret Land. We teach people here how to be present, unplug, pause for a second, and simply be. And now this channel is going to be an extension of that feeling. You will find here gentle yoga sessions for over 40, short mobility sessions, silent practices for presence, mindful moments and tips. Start with the 7-day series and reset and breathe and take it slow. And if you love the feeling, hit the subscribe button and come along for the journey. Thank you for being here.